Welcome to RhymeBee! Let's learn the human body. Mouth. A-E-I-O-U. As you can see on the screen, these are the molars, which are essential for grinding down tough food. Welcome back, class! Today we are looking at the human arm. As you can see on the screen, the arm has many parts.
Look, everyone, this is a hand. Can you say hand?
1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 5 fingers. Who can show me 5 fingers?
All right, everyone, focus on the screen. What does that say?
It says wrist.
W-R-I-S-T. Wow, look at how it all connects right here.
So that's where the digestion begins. Okay, class, as you can see on the screen, this is a leg. Who can tell me what the main bone is called?
Welcome, class. Today we are looking closely at the structure and function of the head.
Welcome back to Animal Class. As you can see on the screen, today we are learning all about the calf.
And this, class, is a foot. Notice how the toes wiggle. Repeat after me, class.
Eyebrow.
As you can see on the screen, these are eyelashes.
Wow, they're so long. How many do they have?
And this, everyone, is the cheek. Can you point to your cheek? Look, class, this is the forehead. Can everyone say forehead? Let's look closely at the shoulder blades. Notice how the scapula moves when the arm is raised. Who can tell me which bone connects here?
Everyone point to the heart. It works very hard to pump blood.
Today we are studying the lungs. Notice how they pulse as they bring air into the body.
Look at how the bicep flexes right there.
And this muscle here is crucial for my leap.
All right, class, let's review. First up, the chimpanzee. Next, we have the Siberian tiger. What is that word? Does it mean little?
Today we're going to learn about this word. Everyone say it with me, fast.
Very good.
Who can tell me what this word is? That's right, it's slow. And the snail shows us exactly what that means. Look at the screen, everyone. When we talk about something being hot, we're referring to its temperature and energy.
As you can see on the screen, today we are talking about the word cold.
It means very chilly.
Yes, exactly like winter.
Okay, class, look right here. The word is
Happy.
we are all very happy today, aren't we?
Yes, you in the back. Look, it's open.
I wonder what we're learning today.
I hope it's about space.
All right, class, as you can see on the screen, today's lesson is all about the word day. Can anyone spell it for me?
So, as you can see up here, night is when the sun is on the other side of the earth, making our sky dark.
Look at all those balloons, kids! Isn't this incredible?
Today we are focusing on the word down. It has multiple meanings depending on the context. And
Great job, everyone! As you can see on the screen, we are moving out to the playground now.
Welcome, class. As the screen shows, today we are learning about Sunday. Who can tell me what happens on Sunday?
look, it's Monday already.
I know! I can't wait for the project this week.
Good morning, class. As you can see, today is Tuesday, and we have a lot of exciting things planned. Yes, go ahead.
All right, everyone, eyes up here. It's Wednesday. Who remembers our special activity? Oh,
Is it the museum trip, Miss D?
it sure is. Let's get ready. Good morning, everyone.
Happy Thursday!
Let's make today amazing.
It's the weekend! Yeah, weekend! Now repeating the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I like Wednesday.
Okay, class, as you can see on the screen today, we are learning about the word sunny. Who can tell me what sunny means?
As you can see on the screen, today's word is rainy. Who can tell me something about rain?
Oh, it makes puddles.
As you can see on the screen, today we are learning about the word cloudy. Who can tell me what this means for the weather? You all did so well today. Let's give a big round of applause for understanding the topic of windy.
So, who can tell me the main ingredient for snowy? Ah, character C, go ahead.
Nose.
So, who can tell me what kind of weather we see when it's stormy?
Rain and thunder.
Exactly.
I know. Foggy is when the clouds are super low.
That's right.
Yeah, like when we went camping.
What should we do when the weather is hot?
Drink
Lots of water. Go swimming.
It says right there that it's going to be
Cold weather.
I know. I can already feel the chill.
Who can tell me what this says?
Rainbow.
That's right, it's a rainbow. Look at the screen, everyone.
Today we are learning about thunder.
It happens right after we see the lightning flash. As you can see, the weather for today is partly sunny, which means we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine.
The chart shows we have sunny weather today. Look here, later in the week we have clouds and perhaps some rain. Great job observing, everyone.
Today we are reviewing the weather. As you can see here, this is a cirrus cloud. Thanks for watching. See you next time.